Iowa Train Videos in Cedar Falls, Iowa. We got a yellow light on this westbound signal here along the old Illinois Central. In fact, we got some hungry critters this morning too. Mr. Deer. We got geese. Just had a couple of turkeys go by too. Well, let's see if anything happens with the train. Well, Walter's pretty interested. Here we go, all these geese, and they're playing roadblock for me here. You guys, they're not in a big hurry to get out of my way. I think they're doing this on purpose. A lot of Canadian geese in this area. Well, here comes an Iowa Northern now through Cedar Falls, Iowa. So I looked at the light earlier and then I backtracked to see what kind of train we had. Well, we got an Iowa Northern. I caught Iowa Northern lately. It's been a while. Now that's in the morning. Catch them here, they're going a little bit faster. The further west they go here, they get closer to their junction, they got to slow down to 10 mile an hour, so the Iowa Northerns will take a while to pass. Couple gondolas. But he's going to slow down dramatically here shortly. Yeah, I wanted to get the drone up ahead of him along the Cedar River there, but we got a little bit of rain out to the west, and definitely not going to launch a drone when I know I might have rain. Well, westbound, soon to be northbound Iowa Northern, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos. Red's Iowa Train Videos. Got a westbound UP here in Montour, Iowa. She's a screaming too, boy. I think I got this executive train again. There's no way I'm gonna be this lucky. There's just no way. I'm pretty sure it is though. Look at this, what's the luck of this? Yeah, westbound executive train, Montour, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos. Well, RITV, westbound UP, Montour, Iowa. 22nd, 2022. It'll be in the mid-90s. Nice short mixed freight there, rolling through Montour, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos.